Hello, students! I feel very happy to meet you all again and to welcome you to another exciting lesson of Vibe Coding. Students, in this lesson, we are going to do something very important. Today's chapter is for students whose computers use Windows operating system. If your computer has Ubuntu as operating system, then you can go to chapter 4 of this course. Today we will download and install LM Studio and VS Code on our Windows computer. Students, remember, to download these two tools, you will need an internet connection. LM Studio and VS Code are very important for our vibe coding process. With the help of LM Studio, we will be able to use AI models on our computer. And in VS Code, we will write our prompt, make the computer write code with the help of AI, and build new things. So students, it is very important to install them correctly so that we can easily work in our upcoming lessons. Don't worry, we will do this entire process step by step and in a very easy way. First, carefully watch what I am doing on my computer and then do the same steps on your computer. Don't worry students, you will be given time for each step so that you can complete every step easily. There is no hurry students. We will go slowly and step by step. So students, are you ready? Let's begin. So students, your desktop screen will look something like this. First, we need to do something important. If any application or folder is open on your computer, you need to close it. Look students, down here. Can you see the icons on the taskbar? If you see a dot under any application or folder, it means that the application or folder is open. For example, here File Explorer is open on my computer. So I will click on it and then I will click the X button at the top to close it. Students, in the same way, if any application or folder is open on your computer, please close it. Has everyone done it? Very good. Let's move on. Now the first thing we are going to install is LM Studio. To install it, we first need to open a web browser. On my computer, I'm using a web browser called Firefox. Your computer may have a different web browser, such as Internet Explorer, Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or Safari. So, let's open the web browser. First, I will click on the Windows button. This one, right here. After clicking it, you will see a search bar at the top. Has everyone clicked on the Windows button? Alright students, now we need to type the name of the browser installed on our computer. My computer has a browser called Firefox. So I will use Firefox. Students, if your computer has a different browser, such as Internet Explorer, Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or Safari, there is no need to worry. Just look at the screen and type the name of your browser in the search bar. I am going to type Firefox. Look students, as soon as I type Firefox, the Firefox icon appears below. Here it is. Now students, I will click on it. Now the web browser has opened. Now I will open www.google.com. You can type it by looking at the screen. Has everyone typed google.com? That's okay students. You can type it by looking at the screen. Take your time. There's no hurry. Alright. Have you typed google.com? Very good. Now press enter on your keyboard. After pressing enter, the Google website will look something like this. Now students, can you see the search bar? Very good. Now type LM Studio. You can also type it by looking at the screen. Now I will type it. Has everyone typed it? Now students, let's press enter on the keyboard. Look students, the first website here is lmstudio.ai. Does your screen look something like this too? Students, pay attention. We need to open the website called lmstudio.ai. So if you cannot see LM Studio website, that is lmstudio.ai at the top of the page, don't worry. You can scroll down a little, find the correct website and then click on it. Alright students, now I am going to click on it. Has everyone opened the lmstudio.ai website? Very good students. Now at the top right, you will see a download button. Can you see it? Take your time and find the download button on your screen. It will be in the top right corner. Now I am going to click on it. Has everyone clicked on the download button? Very good. Students, when you click the download button, the correct version of LM Studio for your computer will be selected automatically. Alright students, can you see this button? It says download for Windows. To download it for Windows, click this button. Now let's click on it students. Look students, LM Studio is now downloading. This may take a few moments. Students, you can pause the video here, and once LM Studio has finished downloading, you can play the video again. Now students, LM Studio has finished downloading. Look, it says completed. That means the download is complete. Has everyone downloaded LM Studio on their computer? Very good, students. Let's move on. Now students, LM Studio has been downloaded. But where can we find it? How do we find it? Well students, can you see this icon at the top? This is the File Explorer icon. When you click on it, it will automatically open the folder where downloaded file is saved, where LM Studio was downloaded. Can you see it? Let's click on it. Look students, the folder where LM Studio was downloaded is now open. I can still see a few confused faces. Are you having trouble finding where LM Studio was downloaded? That's okay students. Let's find LM Studio another way. First, I will close File Explorer. To close it, I will go to the top right corner and click on the X button. Now we are back to our web browser. I need to minimize it and find where LM Studio was downloaded. So first, I will minimize it. To minimize it, click the minus icon at the top. Just click on it. Is everyone with me? Very good students. There is no need to worry. If you need a little more time or you are getting confused, you can pause the video and finish the step you're working on. If needed, you can also go back and watch it again. Now students, let's find LM Studio. Students, can you see these icons at the bottom? We need to click on File Explorer. Let's click on it. Students, File Explorer is now open. Now we'll click on Downloads on the left. Can you see the Downloads folder on the left side of your screen? Let's click on it. Students, if you can't see the File Explorer icon in the taskbar, there is another way to open File Explorer. First, click on the Windows icon. Has everyone clicked it? Now go to the search bar at the top. Can you see the search bar on your screen? Very good. Let's move on. Now type File Explorer. Don't worry students, you can type it by looking at the screen as well. Has everyone typed it? Let's move on. After typing, you will see the File Explorer icon below. Click on it once. As soon as you click it, File Explorer will open. Now what do we do, students? Go to the left side here click on Downloads. Let's click on it. Has everyone done it? Very good, students. As soon as you click on Downloads, the folder will open where LM Studio was downloaded. Look, students, here is LM Studio. Did you find it? Excellent. Now we have downloaded LM Studio. But we still need to install it on our computer. To install it, I will double click on LM Studio. Now you do the same. Double click on the LM Studio icon. So students, when you do that, you will see something like this. This is called a pop-up window. Now click on I agree button. Has everyone done it? Let's move on. Now click on this option. Has everyone done it? Now let's click Next. Students, if you see a pop-up like this, don't worry. Your computer is asking, do you want to install this app? Yes, we do. So let's click Yes. Now students, click on Yes. Now click I agree on this pop-up as well. You don't need to change anything here. Just click the install button. Is everyone with me? Let's click Install. Look students, LM Studio is now installing. You can see the installation is in progress. You can pause the video here, and once LM Studio has finished installing, play the video again. Look students, can you see this button? It says Finish. Just click on it. But before you do, notice something. There is an option here at the top. It says Run LM Studio. This means LM Studio will start automatically after it's installed. Students, pay close attention. Make sure this option has a tick mark next to it. Now, let's click on Finish. Very good students. LM Studio has now been installed. Are you all seeing a similar screen? Great. Now let's click on Get Started. LM Studio is now getting ready. Don't worry students, once LM Studio is ready, we will automatically move to the next step. Here, LM Studio is showing us an option. Are you seeing something similar on your screen? Don't worry students. Let's understand what it means. This option is for choosing an AI model. For now, we will click on Skip for now. That's because This is not the AI model we will use in this course. Don't worry students, we will download the AI model for this course later in this chapter itself. Now let's click on skip for now. You don't need to change anything here. Just click on continue to LM Studio. Look here students, this is what LM Studio looks like. First, let's maximize the window so it fills the entire screen. To maximize it, click this icon in the top right corner. Now this is what LM Studio looks like. Now students, we have downloaded and installed LM Studio. So what's our next step? Our next step is to download our AI model. Let's do that now. Students, on the left side, can you see these icons? Let's click on the fourth icon. It will have Model Search written next to it. As soon as you click it, you will see many different models. And our model is Qwen 2.5 Coder 7B Instruct. Students, can you see this search bar? We will search for our model here. Alright students, I am typing it now. Students, I know this name may seem a little difficult, but that's okay students. You can type this name into the search bar by looking at it on the screen. Students, you can see below here that there are many versions of Qwen, and you need to click on the version that has Qwen written below it. Look here, it has Qwen written below it, and if you look carefully, the next model in the list has something else written below it. We need to click on the model that has Qwen written below it. Alright students, let's click it. Students, as soon as we click on it, the model will open on the right side. And students, can you see this download button? Let's click on it. Students, our AI model is now downloading. Have all of you clicked the download button? Very good. Alright students, our AI model is now downloading. You can pause the video here and continue watching after the model has finished downloading. Look students, our AI model has now been downloaded. But how do we know that AI model has been downloaded successfully? Look, on this pop-up screen, it says download completed. If you can also see a similar pop-up on your screen, it means that the model has been downloaded successfully. You can click on the cross icon to close it. We will close this pop-up screen by clicking on the X here. Students, I am very proud of you all. So students, so far we have downloaded LM Studio, installed it, and also downloaded our AI model, Qwen 2.5 Coder 7B Instruct. Now students, LM Studio has been installed. To install VS Code, we need to go back to our browser. Look here, at the bottom, you will see the web browser icon. Let us click on it. So students, first let us click here. After clicking, we need to press the backspace key on our keyboard. The backspace key looks like this. As soon as we press backspace, the search bar will become empty. Now, here we will type www.google.com. Students, you can also type it by looking at the screen. Has everyone typed it? Now let us press enter. Look students, the Google website has opened. Do you remember where we typed to find LM Studio? Yes, that's correct. We typed it in the search bar. Now students, let us type VS Code here. Once again, you can also type it by looking at the screen. Now let us press enter. Students, look here. The website at the top is called code.visualstudio.com. You will also see an icon like this next to it. Do not worry, you can scroll down a little, then find the correct website and click on it. This is the website we need to open. Now let us click on it together. Has everyone clicked on it? Very good. Students, this is VS Code, the Visual Studio Code website. Students, in VS Code, VS stands for Visual Studio. So its full name is Visual Studio Code. Students, can you also see something like this on your computer screen? Here it says download for Windows. Let us click on it. Look students, VS Code is now downloading. Students, you can pause the video here, and once the VS Code has finished downloading, you can play the video again. So students, VS Code has now been downloaded. Do you also see completed here at the top of your screen? I heard some of you say yes. Very good students. This means VS Code has been downloaded. Can you tell me where VS Code has been downloaded and how we can get there? That's all right, students. I will explain it again, step by step. Students, you can click here to go there directly. But let's go to File Explorer again. Look students, the Downloads folder is already open in File Explorer. Does your computer screen also look something like this? Now you might be wondering why it's already open. That's because students, when we downloaded LM Studio, we had already opened the Downloads folder. Students, if your screen doesn't look like this, don't worry at all. Look, can you see the list of folders on the left side? You just need to click on Downloads. Then the Downloads folder will open where VS Code has been downloaded. Have you all opened the Downloads folder? Now, let's double click on the VS Code icon. Students, a pop-up window will appear. Click on I accept the agreement. After that, click on Next. You don't need to change anything here, students. Just click on Next again. Click on Next once more. Click on Next one more time. Now we are ready to install VS Code. Students, have you all reached this screen? Students, if you get confused at any point, you can always go back and watch the video again. Now let's click on Install. Here is the Install button. Students, VS Code is now installing. You can also pause the video here, and once VS Code has finished installing, you can play the video again. So students, VS Code has now been installed. Do you remember that in LM Studio, we saw a similar option? You just need to make sure, students, that this option has a tick mark next to it. Suppose there is no tick mark and the option looks like this, then you just need to click on it once and it will be selected. This option says Launch Visual Studio Code, which means that after the installation, VS Code will open automatically. Now students, here is the Finish button. Let us click on Finish. Students, here is VS Code. You have all installed VS Code. Now let us maximize it. To maximize it, click this button at the top. Students, have you all opened VS Code on your screen? Very good, students. I am proud of you. Students, now there is just one more thing left. Did you remember that we downloaded our AI model Qwen 2.5 coder 7B Instruct and loaded it into LM Studio? I heard someone say yes. Very good. In the next chapter, we will learn how to load our AI model into VS Code using LM Studio. But before that, we need to install an extension today. The name of this extension is Continue. Don't worry, students. This is very easy to do. Just watch what I am doing on my computer. And along with me, you should also do the same thing on your computer. First, we will go here to the icons on the left side. Do you see these icons, students? Very good. Now we will go to the fifth icon. Students, if you keep your mouse on this icon, you will see extensions written there. Now, let's click on this icon once. Have you all done it? Very good. Now, after clicking, on your screen also, you will see a search bar like this. Can everyone see the search bar? Let's move ahead. In this search bar, we will type the name of the extension that we need to install in VS Code. Do you remember the name of that extension, students? I heard someone from behind say continue. Correct. Now we will type continue in this search bar. I am typing it. Students, you can also type it by looking at it on the screen. You will see many extensions here. But we need to go to the first extension where it says continue and has this icon in front of it. We will click on it once. So students, let's click on it. Are you seeing something similar on your screen, students? Let's move ahead. Now we will click on the install button here. Students, if on your screen also a pop-up like this appears, there is no need to worry at all. You need to go down and click on this button. This button says Trust Publisher and Install. Students, you can pause the video here and after the extension is installed, you can play the video again. Look students, our extension has now been installed. If you look on the left side here, earlier there were 5 icons, but now there is a 6th icon too. This is our extension, Continue. Students, please note one thing. In both VS Code and LM Studio, we need to set up some things so that VS Code and LM Studio can run properly. So students, today we installed LM Studio and VS Code on our Windows computer. I am very proud of you. That is all for today, and I will see you in the next chapter where we will learn more about the toolkit we use for vibe coding and set up LM Studio and VS Code together, step by step. Until then, keep learning, keep asking questions, and yes, keep vibing.